Hello, my name is Jesper Nissen from YACSS, and in this video I'll show you how to create and integrate Scaleway Cloud with YACSS. So first of all, you need to go to scaleway.com and then you need to sign up and create your account. And the special thing about Scaleway Cloud is that they withdraw a very small amount of money, something like $0.5 from your account, and within 24 to 48 hours after you sign up. And on your bank statement, you will be able to see a small code that you'll need to verify your account. So you'll need to sign up, wait 24 to 48 hours for this bank withdrawal, and then use your code to verify your account. Once it's verified, you just simply log in like I just did, and then you're good to go. And it's actually extremely simple, because what you need to do is you need to click on Organization, API Keys, Generate API Key, say click Yes, and Generate. Yeah, that's what you need to do. So you can now store these two keys here. Let's copy this API key here, or the access key, and I'm copying the secret key. Good. And now I am going, and I click close here. Now I go to YACSS, click on Cloud Connectivity, scroll down, click on Scaleway, click on Add New, select Client, which is myself. I always call it Scaleway Cloud, so I can recognize what it is. And then I enter my key and my secret key. Good, like this. So it's not too hard. And then I go to create websites. I'll now create the usual testing website. 1, 2, 3, generate. And I can click on my website, see my testing website, click on here, upload to clouds. I'll select Scaleway and my account here, and let me create a bucket, YACSS test buckets, and there are 3 regions: France, Amsterdam, and Warsaw. So I'll just select France, create, and let me upload here. So I click the upload button and I'm just waiting for the cloud site to upload, and it's done now. It was also an extremely small cloud site. So yeah, now I'm done. YACSS test bucket.s3.fr-par-scw cloud test.html. So let's see, it's a domain authority 48. And let's see, for this URL, it has a page authority of 13, so it's relatively strong, powerful, with do-for-all links. And it's a cloud I really suggest that you set up because of its rarity and of its power, and also because it's basically free to use, or pay as you go, so it's basically free with the typical usage for a typical YACSS user. So that was Scaleway Clouds. I hope you enjoyed it. Take care.